Yes. Have you ever thought? What? Why do we have a gun? Don't we live in the suburbs? Great question. Well, how am I supposed to know? There could be dangers all over the world. Maybe a Mexican guy with an AK-47? Your imagination probably sounds like caca. But what are you holding? Oh, he's holding this. Delete it. Well, why do we bought watermelon even though we're a watermelon? Isn't that cannibalism? I don't know. I don't know. I wonder whose birthday is it? Thank God summer started. Should we play basketball outside? Once we finish our meal. Yum. Yum. You want a slice? You broke it. Why do I care? Let's go outside. Hey. What? Do you have an extra friend? No, we don't. Because there's an earthquake. Why is the house like this? One tarnation? Let me fix it. No, we don't. We don't have an extra friend. Then why is there a dude outside of my window with a shotgun? Wait, isn't that the robbery man? Run as fast as you can. No, let me run. No! Great. Grab the firearm. Let me run for it. Open the door. I have a firearm. Go upstairs now. I'm pretty sure I didn't hurt no company to the shotgun pump. So let me just go around. That he almost shot my hand. Where did I go here? God damn it. Oh. I'm sorry. Remember a pistol inside of here? Yeah, found it. It's a bunch of wax. It's a bunch of wax. Ow! Ah! What? Oh! I need to get closer so he dies instantly. Well, that was gruesome. Yeah, it was. Imagine if he had a sniper rifle or something. What am I doing? What is happening? Damn! The helium gas tank! It's flying! It's flying! It's flying! I think it's about to explode. It can barely make balloons anymore. That jerk. We needed that helium anyways. What was that? Oh, that was me. I had a rocket launcher. Wait, aren't you a part of the corn gang? Aren't you a part of the pumpkin gang? Yeah, we're enemies. Bruh. Happy birthday, Jeff. We made you a cake. It's my neighbor's birthday? Why do I care? Yeah. Let me drink some beer. Didn't you drink like 50 more of those? It's root beer. I bet your teeth looks like a canyon. That was me. La 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 la. The house is a bit shaky, yeah? Yeah. Me and my upstairs neighbor are the only ones. It's pretty much like summer. So, where's everybody? They went to play outside, I guess. Yeah, I like Coca-Cola. What type of Coke are you talking about? Are you talking about the drug? What in tarnation is that? Ah! Oh, help me! What is that noise? Ah! God damn it! Ah! Ah! The glass! The glass! The glass! It saved me! Ah! What are you talking about? Ah! Listen up. So let me get this straight. Stop breaking the pencils, please. Our leader is 16 years old. How's that supposed to make sense? Yeah, that's like younger than my daughter. You have a daughter? Yeah. Intruder, I guess. And what is that supposed to do? Ah! Yeah. Dude, stop pranking us, Hank. Your name is stupid too. It's like your parents tried to make a joke. Dude, Hank! Nope, we're dead. Ah! But I'm not going down without a fight. It hasn't bit me. I passed out. Maybe if I played it. It crushed me with its body. Great. Oh, my arm! I'm gonna pretend like I didn't notice anything. I'm a victim. Yeah, I'm not fighting that. I'm going upstairs. Go back, boy. I said I'm not fighting that. Fight it or I'll shoot you. It's better than a slow, painful death. Damn, the house. No. It's crushing the thing. That's it. That's bad. What am I doing with my life? Break that thing! Lord! We managed to rip off its leg! Help us! Help us! What? Radio 270 is calling for help? Okay, I'm calling airstrikes. So he basically sent us for backup. Okay, so are you okay, dude? Nah, he's probably dead. What is that donkey thing? It looks ugly. So I have to fight this thing? Let me call my family. Mom, I love you. I'm trying to make a sad song, but it sounds stupid instead. Well, Mom, I love you. Son! Son! Dun, dun, dun. What happened? I'm mad. I'm so mad. I'll kill that monster. News radio number 77-8. Well, the monster hasn't died already, which is super unexpected. So, stay aware. Excuse me, sir? There must be someone you confuse me for. And what tarnation? How? How is this ugly, stupid monster not dying? Rah! I will break everything in my house! Rah! I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I'm a changed man. Get out of here!